Hey, fitness fam! If you're serious about your workouts, you already know protein is your best friend when it comes to recovery and building muscle. But here's the thing, store-bought protein powders? They can be expensive, loaded with additives, and honestly sometimes, who even knows what's in them? So today, I'm showing you how to make your own protein powder right at home. Pure, clean, and packed with natural goodness. Let's talk ingredients. You'll need oatmeal, almond seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, fenugreek seeds, and just a touch of cardamom seeds for that extra kick. These aren't just random picks. Each one brings its own unique nutrients to the table. Oatmeal gives you steady carbs and fiber. Almonds are loaded with healthy fats and protein. And all those seeds, pumpkin, sunflower, sesame, are absolute powerhouses for plant-based protein, minerals, and good fats. Fenugreek, it's got a unique flavor and is known for supporting digestion. And cardamom, it'll make your mix smell and taste amazing. Now the magic is in how you prep these. First, measure out equal parts of each seed and nut, say half a cup each. But you can adjust based on your taste and how much you want to make. Toss all your seeds and nuts into an air fryer. Why air fry? It's simple, quick, and helps bring out those toasty flavors without adding oil. Set your air fryer to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, spread the seeds and nuts in a single layer, and let them roast for 8 to 10 minutes. Shake halfway through so everything gets evenly toasted. Pro tip, keep an eye and nose on them. You want them golden and fragrant, not burnt. Once they're cooled down, grab your blender or a food processor. Add your toasted mix, the oats, and that little bit of cardamom. Now blend till you get a fine powder. You might have to pulse in batches depending on your blender's power. And that's pretty much it. But here's a little extra step. Spread your fresh protein powder on a tray. Let it air dry for a few hours. This keeps it nice and dry for storage, so you don't get any weird clumps or moisture sneaking in. So there you have it. Homemade protein powder that's clean, nutritious, and easy to make. No fillers, no mystery ingredients, just pure whole foods fueling your gains. Mix it in smoothies, yogurt, or even sprinkle it over your oatmeal. Give it a shot, and let me know how it amps up your routine. Stay strong, chase progress, and take charge of what goes into your body. Catch you in the next one.